Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A60 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which might be visible on one of the pages. If you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left. This will show you additional page, but it looks like it's not visible by default. So we're going to click right here on these three dots and I'm going to select Edit Tiles. And I can already see it, Do Not Disturb mode right here. Simply click on the plus and then go back and you should have access to it now. Now before you tap on it to enable it, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and here you can see how it is set by default. If something doesn't fit your needs, you can obviously change it. Once you have done so, you can then find the toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and you're good to go. Now one thing to also keep in mind is when you enable it manually, it will run indefinitely by default, so you will need to remember to turn it off once you're done needing it. And obviously to turn it off, you just find the toggle again and tap on it once more. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.